In our last episode, we visited East Glacier, Two Medicine Lake, Running Eagle Falls, St. Mary Lake, and we checked out St. Mary Falls, as well as Jackson Glacier. At the time, we could only travel 14 miles from the east towards the west on the Going to the Sun road. We're here in May, and there's still maintenance to be done on the road and snow to be cleared. So we're driving to the west entrance of Glacier, and we're going to check out McDonald Lake. And look at this gorgeous waterfall. Wow. And we're going to drive another part of Logan Pass. We keep saying Logan Pass, but Logan Pass is on the Going to the Sun road. We're on Route 2 for 44 miles from Summit Campground to the west entrance of Glacier National Park. The road follows the Flathead River. The drive to the west end is gorgeous, and we can't help but to share the ride with you. By the way, it doesn't stay that way for long. It's quite windy out again today, making driving a little bit difficult. Oh, that's wind.
Sketchy at times, but not too bad. Sun Highway.
We enter through the west entrance into West End Village, and we're reminded that vehicles longer than 21 feet are not permitted on the Going to the Sun road.
There's a myriad of visitor services offered in the park. On the park's west side, food services, shopping, and lodging are available at the...
You can tune in to FM radio station 166 for park information. We drove Fish Creek Campground Road, which took us to the backside of Lake McDonald, where you can get excellent views of the lake.
drinking, babe?
Moose drool. delicious.
You heard right. Moose drool. Yeah, it's got nothing on St. Mary's. Bob and I notice you don't quite get the beautiful lake views of Lake McDonald Road from the Going to the Sun Road as you do coming in the east way to St. Mary Lake. On this side, there are way too many trees. This year, 2024, Glacier National Park instituted a permit program in order to drive the Going to the Sun Road from the west entrance. Permits are required from the hours of 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. So we had stopped earlier for a beverage and waited for the 3 p.m. hour to hit to take the 16 miles on the Sun Road that were currently open. Oh, you got some waterfalls over there. Lake McDonald. Wow, this is gorgeous. Wow, if only you could see the water. Gorgeous. The color, spectacular. And now to make our way back on Route 2 to Summit Campground. We'll stop back in the month of August and complete our trip on the Going to the Sun Road. I was kicking myself for not having re-cleaned the windshield while Bob was using the facilities. Yeah, feeling a little frustrated with the bug situation.
12 miles to go. Hopefully we got a little solar.
Always feels good to come home after a day of sightseeing. Home sweet home. Well, it's 39 degrees out. And don't you know it? It's snowing. Yeah. Well, we didn't get enough solar while camping here in the woods at Summit Campground. So we have to run the generator, but that's okay. We have the generator, which is always a second option for us. And then we have a third, the solar generator. So anyway, today is a sweater kind of day. The kitchen slide continues to work great.
I'm gonna come up with a way to put that ladder right down there. Off the Jeep, and I ain't gotta fight that on and off all the time.
On the,
I'm right on top of the hitch.
oh, cool. Still spitting snow. Blue skies. It's dang cold. You need your winter gear. This was a wonderful campground. We enjoyed it. They don't have a garbage facility. Whatever you pack in, you got to pack out. So Bob's doing one more camper and campsite check to make sure we have everything. As I said, this was an amazing campground. We're at Summit. You have to drop your money in a drop box, as you know. Very clean. Still spitting snow.
Well, Glacier, you done us good.
Yeah, it's been amazing.
The east side, the only side that makes sense. We'll go up the east side to the Logan Pass. Wow, snow sticking on the mountains up there.
Oh yeah. We're heading into blue skies. Glacier County. Okay, now the plan is to head to Shelby, Montana, and we have campground reservations there. We'll be there a couple of days, make some final preps to go into Canada. So we'll get those things done and we'll get back to you.
Oh, one of the things is give away some alcohol. So I remember I screwed up.
Yeah, we bought too much. Since we're only permitted to take a case of beer or a box of wine per person across the Canadian border. That's nice. Good, thanks.
Do you have a reservation?
Yeah, and there should be two. The other party's not going to be here till later.
Okay.
So we've made it to Trail West RV Resort in Shelby, Montana. It's directly behind the Best Western. When you come here, you have to check in at the Best Western and pay. It's got full hookups. It's got laundry service. Thank goodness for laundry service because we've traveled now 11 days and might even be in our 12th day. And yeah, we need to do some laundry. So I just sorted the laundry and I don't know if I'm going to get it back in the bag, but we'll see. So am I going to get it all back in the bag? Not sure. We'll see. We actually have a critter living in our backyard. Prairie dog. We'll see if we see her. Well, it's a no-go. Have to make 2 trips. So we've camped with buffaloes, now with prairie dogs. Oh, and at Sleeping Buffalo with bunny rabbits. Time to get the old laundry done. It's important to travel with quarters because like this place, there's no coin exchange available. I'd have to walk down to the Best Western, to the office, and see if I could get quarters. Here, washer, one washer is $1.75, and the other one is $2, and the dryer is $1.75 for 77 minutes, which is helpful. Since there's only one working dryer to 2 washers. You just never know what you're gonna get. Siri, set timer for 35 minutes.
35 minutes. Counting down.
And we'll be back. Let's see if we see any prairie dogs. Oh, there goes one. Our Alaska traveling companions have arrived.
Hey, I'm
I
telling
can't
you.
believe we
get
made
over
it!
there.
Yay!
We couldn't get the pump to work. First time all day it would work. So I had the same thing when we were pumping up, but I thought it was because people were in the way. I had no idea.
Well, we went where the trucks.
Meet Ted and Sandy. We'll give you a proper introduction later. How cute. Where's your friends? Gorgeous night sky. There's a pink hue. Here you can really see it. I'm filming the sunset for you, so you'll get to see that as well. But that's on the other side. We're going to do our best to publish videos much sooner now that we have cell service. Join us again next week as we cross into Canada and continue our travels towards Alaska. God bless and have a great day.